Hey, what's up guys? Out here taking a walk out by the river. Beautiful day out. Great to be alive, you know? So I am a collector, an aggregator of bizarre random facts. Information, I love it. And I always try and figure out a way to apply that to everyday life. Let me explain what I'm talking about. I'm gonna ask you a question. What do you think is the biggest organ in your body? Go ahead, take a guess. It's probably not what you think it is. Believe it or not, the biggest organ in your body is your epidermis, your skin. So what do we do with that information? Well, this is where it gets really interesting. Did you know that your body sheds its entire epidermis in 27 days? In 27 days. Think about that, guys. Think about how powerful that is. In 27 days, the biggest organ in your body is completely rebuilt, brand new. So what do we do with that? Well, here's what I like to do with that. And maybe you should too. Use it as leverage. What do I mean? Guys, your body could care less what's going on in the world right now. It doesn't care. All it does is rejuvenate itself, makes itself better every single day. And in 27 days, it's totally rebuilt. Some of you watching this right now might be going through a tough time, I get it. Work, relationships, the world. You're filled with negative energy, bad thoughts. Stop with the woulda, coulda, shouldas, the what ifs. It doesn't matter. I've been there, I know exactly what it's like. I was at the bottom of the barrel, guys, and I had the worst thoughts in the world thinking about all these things that could happen. And guess how many of those things happened? Zero. None. I wasted all that time thinking about it. None of it ever happened. Cleanse your thoughts like you cleanse your skin. Every day as you shed your skin, shed those negative thoughts, that negative energy. Every day you are rebuilding yourself to a better person. In 27 days, your body is totally rebuilt. You are a brand new person. And the same can be done with your thoughts. That's what I like to do with that information. Guys, good things are coming your way. You got to put it up here where it's important. Think outside the box. And good things are coming. I promise.